Hi guys, today we're going to be making Paul's Hollywood cake.
And the reason why we have chose this mix, my fellow YouTubers, is because it literally has natural colours, no added colours, no preservatives, and it's made with Belgian chocolate, and it's also suitable for vegetarians. My older son has a severe nut allergy, so we chose the cake mix, which would be better. Now what do we do, Enzo, before we start the cooking?
First thing,
we wash our hands.
yeah, let's do that.
So everyone who wants to cook with our parents, we wash our hands.
Okay.
There we go. Can we dry them with a tea towel?
Done that. See, look. Don't you think I'll fake them up? See?
Now for this you will need 150 ml of sunflower oil, 150 ml of semi-skimmed milk. The cake mix. We also have, what else do we have, Enzo? We have
3 eggs. Then we need
and we have IKEA cupcake.
Well, I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be doing that one.
So Enzo's going to do the cupcake mix. The cake is in there. While I crack on and do the mixture, guys.
Okay, so I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to show you guys.
Now this is just a quick and easy way to make cupcakes, or you can make a sandwich cake with your children. We've chose this one specifically because there's no preservatives. Nice to cook with the children, enjoy getting their hands mucky, don't you, Enzo? You enjoy cooking? Now I put the cake mix in, as you can see. We are now going to add 3 eggs. 1. How are you doing with the cupcakes there, Enzo? Separating them properly. 2. Just make sure you don't get no bits in there when you crack the egg, guys. And kids, if you're cracking the eggs, make sure you're supervised by your parents and you do not let any of the eggs get in there. Right, so we have 3 eggs cracked in there. Now what I'm going to do is use a whisker. I'm going to mix this together. And so I can finish off mixing in a minute when we add some more ingredients. So now, as you can see, I am just mixing 3 eggs in the mixture. So it's all nice and gooey.
And so guys, I am done.
So Enzo is now done, finishing off Good Boy. Well done. As you can see, I've chose these from IKEA because they are quite pretty. I like the design of them. Just the right size for the children, because we have 3 boys in this house. Right, Enzo, you're going to add the sunflower oil. So now we add in 150 ml of the sunflower oil to the cake mix. Yes, please.
Here goes nothing.
There we go. And now we're going to add the milk. 150 ml of semi-skimmed milk.
Yummy.
That's it.
Then what we're going to do is mix it up.
Yeah. Now we're going to mix it up. So it's all gooey. All running, all gooey. So what we're looking for, we want the consistency to be fluffy. Right now, it's all very runny, so it needs a lot of mixing, doesn't it? Please wash up as you go and wash your hands.
Put it in the oven. You have to turn it
There we go. We've got to separate them into the cake mix. We've got to write the mixture first. We've got to make this
when it goes into the
all
oven,
of a fluffy.
you turn the camera off.
No, I haven't yet.
Oh. So guys, please leave a comment.
As you can see, the more you mix it, the thicker the mixture becomes.
And
now what we're looking for, guys, is a really fluffy mixture, aren't we, Enzo? That's all. We're going to get rid of all these lumps and bumps. Unfortunately, we don't have an electric whisk.
And guys, please,
so we are just literally doing it with a whisk.
A comment down below to say that you didn't like it.
Yeah, tell us what you were making with your parents.
Let's get to a 50,000 likes. That would be brilliant.
That'd be awesome.
That will make our day.
It's very important. It's very fun to cook with your parents. It's also educational. And the fact that my children love chocolate cake, they always want to be involved, don't you, Enzo? So we need to mix this a bit more, Enzo. Can you carry on mixing for Mummy, please? Thank you. Again, if you go to the shops, guys, it's called Poor Hollywood, and I'm sure you'll find it.
But if you live in a different country, might as well just go and buy it.
Very, very suitable for people who suffer a lot of allergies.
And guys,
I mean, you can always cook from scratch, but
if you live in a different country, just buy another cupcake, exact same. Don't even live in Hollywood. Get the Hollywood.
There we go, look. So what we do is we just whisk it up on the top so that you can just hear it falls slightly. So we're looking for a really, really fluffy mixture, guys.
Like fluffy
Right,
slime.
keep mixing then, please, Enzo.
Oh, it's too gooey.
Glass. Oh yeah.
Mum,
Yes, my darling.
what thing when you put it in the oven, do you have to turn the camera off?
Yeah.
Okay.
The camera's still going, darling.
So what we want to do is now...
So guys, we're just going to show you the mixture here. As you can see, it's probably still slightly runny. Unfortunately, if I had an electric whisk, it would be a lot more fluffier, so we're just going to have to put a bit more oomph in there, in the way we mix it.
We used to have one, but something happened to it.
Yeah, it broke. I think the toddler, your younger brother, accidentally broke it, didn't he? Right, so we're just coming. This probably takes about 10 minutes.
Sounds gooey.
Probably take about 5 minutes to be fair, electric whisk, but this takes slightly longer if you want to do it by hand. I mean, again, it's up to you what you have. You could just literally do it with a spoon, like with a spatula. We've got one of these as well. I mean, these are awesome. These you can find in the pound shop, you can find in IKEA cheap.
Well guys, if you don't have anything, just use a spoon. Cup it
That's
all up.
it. Use the spoon.
Lick it all up, guys.
This will get all mucky, it gets everywhere, there's products everywhere. That's Jules' cooked this, Enzo. What's your favourite thing about making chocolate cake, Enzo?
Eating it.
Eating it.
What's this for?
Right, that's the topping. So this will be the topping for the cake, guys. We will do another video. We'll add that on afterwards. That's a buttercream mix to go on top because it is a chocolate fudge cake that we are making.
Icing.
Yeah, it's a buttercream icing. This is chocolate fudge, and this is suitable for nut allergies,
Like
vegetarians.
and pull down.
Not sure if it's gluten free, but again, it's made of Belgian chocolate, and it's got 100% natural flavours. So I highly recommend this, guys. Right, there we go, Enzo. We'll leave it at that. Did you want to get one more mix before you divide it into the cake?
Yeah.
One more mix? Boy.
Still a little bit frosty there.
Yeah, that's what we need to try and get
Can
rid
you
of.
hold it?
If you can't do it with this, maybe try it with this. So we'll change it
Yeah,
with that.
it's easier.
That's going to get a bit mucky on the side. The side's going to get mucky. Never mind. We'll clean that in a minute when we move on to the next stage. Show the viewers, Enzo.
You go, guys.
There you go. Happy chocolate cake. Wash your family time and it's fun. It's fun. It's fun.
The only fun bit
Right, keep it down to good easier. There we go. I mean, this is the best we can do. Ideally, we could need one. This is going to come out just as fast as it, and now just going to divide this into how many how much milk with the cake itself to make that I want to have. So it's quite big. It really doesn't matter if you get some of the base of the cake, you probably just want that off. Silicone ones are reusable, you can wash them after you use them. Again, it's personal choice, I just chose these ones for the kids. They are slightly more eco-friendly, I probably will go for the silicone ones next time, if you want to be a bit more eco-friendly.
It's got very messy on the tray.
Very, very messy. This is how you do messy cakes, guys. We are not very neatly organised, are we, when we bake? But this is family time and this is fun time. Right, so do you want to do the last 4?
Mummy, do it.
There you go. Sorry, darling. Right, so if you do the last 4, I will get some tissue. There you go. And I will wipe the rest of the tray.
Yeah,
so guys, if you've got a bit of tissue, just wipe it here. Off the side.
Guys don't have tissue.
You can just wipe some off depending on how much you've got on there, but it really doesn't matter.
But you put a tissue there so you drip from the tissue.
Yeah. We're going to clean it anyway with some antibacterial wipes, which is important. So leave a comment down below, guys, if you've used Paul Hollywood's mixture before, or you have any recommendations on what we can use. Obviously, everything we bake and we use are nut-free because of my older son's nut allergy.
Remember, guys, this isn't just a cooking video. There's lots of other videos that we can do. Leave a comment below and we'll do it straight away.
Yeah. I mean, just say to us, I'd like you to do pizza, homemade pizza, or I don't know, just something healthy. Leave a comment below, just let us know. We like to talk.
Making apple
crumble, maybe. We can do Victoria sponge cake mix next time, maybe with some icing and some sweets on top. Again, it's all child friendly. I do all the cooking with the children. We do cook healthy meals, so we probably will be doing some videos soon on healthy eating with kids and showing you what they can do sort of to involve them in the cooking.
We need to get some big ones. So,
again, supervision is always needed. We have put the oven on, guys. We've done this before we started filming. It needs to be at 150 Fahrenheit. Oh no, sorry, 180. 180. Again, all the instructions are on the box. So this is really easy, really simple steps. It does tell you what you need to do, what ingredients you need. It's all really, really simple. So children, if you are a bit older and you want to make this, I mean, this is possible for you to make, obviously with an adult supervision when you put them in the oven. But this is just something so easy that children can just make, really enjoy making and really enjoy eating.
got a little bit more left.
So we highly recommend this, guys. Let us know if you've tried them or you've cooked it or you've done something similar. Again, I mean, it doesn't have to be this mixture, it can be any mixture, or you can even start from scratch and do it with flour and eggs and sugar, but I mean, we've just specifically chose this one because we just think it would be of interest to people who are vegetarians, people who might possibly have nut allergies, or like 100% natural ingredients in their foods. We have a very chocolatey side at the moment, don't we, Enzo? But how are we doing there if we use most of the mixture? Wow, these are going to be absolutely huge. We probably put far too much mixture in the cases, but it really doesn't matter because more the mixture, the bigger the cake.
I made a really small one for Maddox there.
Oh, he's made a really small one for his younger brother who's 3. Yeah.
Nearly turning 4.
He's nearly 4, yeah. Then your older brother, till we got Tyrese, he's 12, isn't he?
Upstairs.
Yeah, he's the one with the nut allergy.
He loves Fortnite.
So we cook, he loves Fortnite. So this is why we cook fresh and we cook with ingredients that are suitable for him.
Don't get me wrong, I love Fortnite too. Why?
Right, are we done?
Let your kids play it every day.
Limited.
I guess so.
Wow, that looks fantastic. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's show the viewers how much we've got. I don't know if you can see that. There is so much mixture in the cases right now. These are going to be absolutely huge cupcakes. Now, what we're going to do is pop them in the oven. In the middle of the oven.
And guys,
And I will tell you how long it needs to be in there. Probably about 20 minutes, it does say on the case. Put it in the middle shelf for 20 to 25 minutes, guys. Alright? And it literally says to test when baked, use a squirrel insert in the middle of the cake to make sure you get like gooey coming out of the cake.
guys, we have a dog too.
We have a dog called Angel. Say hello, Angel. Say hello. Yeah, she's 8 months old. She's a little feisty thing. So, that's it, guys. We will come back when we will do this, when we start preparing for the buttercream ice cream.
Basically when we're done.
So, again, 20 to 25 minutes in the middle of the oven, and then they will be done. We will show you when they come out of the oven what they look like.